Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now. Insert the physical SIM and scan your carrier's eSIM QR, or activate the eSIM in the carrier app. Once both profiles appear, go to Settings, Cellular, and label each line so you know which is primary or secondary. You do this because clear labels prevent calling mistakes later. Make sure your iPhone supports dual SIM and update iOS. Once done, you're ready to pick which line handles voice and which handles data. Now configure behavior. Open Settings Cellular Default Voice Line and pick which SIM you want for most outgoing calls. This avoids prompts every time. For precision, edit a contact, tap Default Line, and assign the preferred number. This is handy for business versus personal calls. Also allow cellular data switching if you want calls to use the other line's data when needed. These steps reduce friction and explain why calls use one line. Make a call and before dialing, tap the line label above the keypad to switch between SIMs. This ensures the right number shows. During a call, some iPhones let you change lines via call or audio controls. Try that if you need to transfer calls between numbers. If calls fail or a line won't register, reset network settings, toggle airplane mode, or remove and re-add the eSIM. This commonly clears provisioning errors and restores dual SIM.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.